Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming eligibility and enabling voice chat in your Roblox account settings. This grants the feature. Next, plug in a quality microphone and open system sound settings to set input level near 75% so voice AI hears you cleanly. Once done, join a game or a specific voice-enabled experience. That places you in the correct audio channel. Make sure permissions are granted to your browser or app, because without mic access, the voice AI cannot process commands. You now configure the voice AI inside the Roblox experience. Pick the voice model or TTS/ASR option the game provides, because that changes timbre and latency. Then set microphone sensitivity and choose push-to-talk versus open mic. Push-to-talk reduces background noise, while open mic is hands-free. Also adjust spatial audio distance so other players hear you at correct proximity. Once these are set, speak a short test phrase and watch for real-time AI responses to finish by conducting a full test. Use a real command or chat with another player to confirm the voice AI responds and syncs with game events. If you see lag, dropouts, or misrecognition, restart the Roblox client and your microphone. Switching from Wi-Fi to wired can reduce latency. Make sure mic drivers are current and the game has explicit permission to access audio. If problems persist, toggle voice chat off and on again, then rerun the short test to validate the fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.